In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome themes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Chrome's built-in customization panel and pick a look that matches your style, whether you prefer something bold, subtle, or easy on the eyes for long browsing sessions. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. Click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From there, select Customize Chrome. This opens a panel on the side of your window where all the visual settings live. Think of this as your control center for colors, backgrounds, and overall vibe. You don't need any extensions or downloads for this. It's all built in and safe to use. Once the panel is open, you can choose your theme. You'll see curated background collections and a section for color and theme. Browsing collections is a great way to find a cohesive look. Click into a collection to preview different images. When you select one, Chrome will apply it instantly to your new tab background so you can see how it feels right away. If you want something cleaner, you can choose solid color options instead of images. For colors, look for the color and theme section with swatches. These swatches change the browser's accent colors, including tabs, toolbar, and highlights. Click through a few to test readability and contrast. If you work late or prefer a softer look, try darker palettes. They can reduce eye strain. If text looks hard to read, switch to a lighter, higher contrast combination. Some versions even let you fine-tune with a color picker, which is perfect if you want to match brand colors or a favorite wallpaper. As you experiment, note that changes apply immediately and nothing is permanent. If you want to revert, choose the default or classic option within the panel and Chrome will return to its standard appearance. Keep an eye on how your selected theme interacts with your bookmarks bar and extension icons. Good themes should keep those elements visible and crisp. A quick tip: if you use Chrome on multiple devices while signed in, your theme choice may sync, keeping your look consistent everywhere. If you prefer different styles per device, you can turn off theme syncing in your browser settings later. That's all there is to it. Open the menu, head to Customize Chrome, and choose your theme by exploring backgrounds and color swatches until it feels right. Play around, preview freely, and settle on a look that makes your browser feel personal and comfortable.